Exercise 2.2, problem 10, discussion. Let's read the problem. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 13? Okay, now I think we are getting into the application part of the AP series. It's quite interesting. Okay, don't worry, we'll work it out. Let's mark what is given here. Okay, two-digit number divisible by 13. This is what is given. Okay, two-digit numbers divisible by 13. So what are we asked to calculate? How many of them are there? That is, it looks like it's going to be an AP series. It will be an AP series because a common difference will be 13. Okay, and so we need to calculate the n. How many numbers are there in the series? Number of terms. So n is a value. The value of n we need to calculate. Okay, let's write the formula. The number n is given by last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. You got it? But in this case, none of these things are known. We don't know the first term, we don't know the last term, we don't know the common difference. Okay, so we'll have to start using the given information to calculate all these things. What is it they are given? Two-digit number, and the numbers are divisible by 13. So which means the first step is we'll have to create this series ourselves. Only when you create the AP series, we'll be able to solve it. So to create the series only, they have given this information. So as I told you, you have to carefully look into the given information and figure out why they have given. Instead of giving in all the previous examples, they gave us a AP series directly. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, etc., etc. In which case then you have to apply formulas and do it. But here they have come one more step, and they are not giving you the AP series directly, but they are giving it indirectly by this statement saying that it's a two-digit number and the numbers are divisible by 13. So let's start working out let's try to do it step by step. Okay, what is the step? First step is to write the series. Unless you write the series, you will not be able to get going. So how will you write the series? They say it's a two-digit number and it is divisible by 13. So what are the two-digit number? Two-digit number starts from 10, ends with 99. Okay, these are the two-digit number starting from 10 to 19. So 10, 11, 12, 13 up to 99. But they say it's divisible by 13. So the first two-digit number which is divisible by 13 is 13. 10 is not divisible by 13, 11 is not divisible, 12 is not divisible, 13 is divisible. Okay, so 13 is our first term. So the next term will be 26. In between 14, 15, 16 and all these things will not be divisible by 13, so will not get included. So basically 13 into 2, that is 26. Then 13 into 3, then 13 into 4. Okay, it goes on. Now 13 into 6 is 91. We are coming close to 99, which is the end point. After 91, then the next digit will be multiple of 13 will be 104. But 104 has already become a three-digit number, so that cannot be included. So that is why 91 is there. You got it? You cannot have after 91 it becomes 104. 104 is a three-digit number, so it cannot be included. So only up to 91 we can include. So this is the AP series. Okay, let me repeat, this is very important. They say it's a two-digit number, so the numbers can be starting from 10 to 19. 10 is the first two-digit number. The last two-digit number is 99. But they say it has to be a multiple of 13. Okay, or divisible by 13 is multiple of 13. So the first number is 13. After that, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. It goes on to 13 into 7. That is 91. But 13 into 8 is 104. That is a three-digit number. So 91 is the last number. Once this is done, everything else is straightforward. So what we need to do? We need to identify A, L and D. This is what is required in the formula, right? A, L and D. A is 13, L is 91, D is the difference, which is nothing but 26 minus 13, that is 13, because it's we have been writing the series as a multiple of 13, so 13 will be the difference. That's all it is. Then substitute the values of A, D and L in the formula n equal to L minus A by D plus 1 and calculate n. So that it will be 91 minus 13 divided by 13 plus 1 will give you the value of the number of terms in the series. You understood? So the key is to identify the series, right? So pause the video here and try to do the problem on your own. After doing, come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, here we have the solution. What is given? 2-digit number, and the numbers are divisible by 13. As discussed, let's first write the series. The series of first number is 13, then 26, 39 and 91. Because you know why it is 13? The number 2-digit numbers means it starts from 10 and it goes up to 99. The first number which is divisible by 13 is 13. 10 is not divisible, 11 is not divisible, 12 is not divisible by 13. 13 is the first number divisible by 1. It goes once. So that's the first number. Then 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. Goes up to 13 7s are 71. But 13 8 becomes 104. That is a 3-digit number. So this is our last number. Okay. That's all. So A equal to 13. D is T2 minus T1. That is 13. Okay, you don't need to do this also because it's straight away right. It's divisible by 13. That's all it is, right? But anyway, to be safe, you do this step. So that is 13 and the last term is 91. So substitute all these things in this formula. N equal to L minus A divided by D. That will be 91 minus 13 divided by 13. 91 is the last term. First term is A is 13 and 13 is our common difference. Plus 1. So 91 minus 13 is 78 divided by 13 plus 1. This will go 6 times. So 6 plus 1, 7. So there are 7 2-digit numbers divisible by 13. Okay, you got it? So the key here is to figure out the series. Once you know the series, then it is a straightforward problem. Okay, I hope you got your working right. If not, see where there is an error and correct it. Okay, and if you have not got the concept clear, please go to the discussion part of the video and review it. Okay, thanks for watching the video.